Hi guys, it's your girl Alicia and we're back with another video. This video is a no bake energy bar. Okay, stay tuned to this video and please like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, we have some raisins, walnuts, almond, honey, milk, oats, chocolate syrup, and peanut butter.
Yeah, yeah, you are my African queen.
Okay, so we are going to chop up the almonds a little fine. As you could see, my chopping board and my cutter, I'm cutting it. Okay, so we're about to cut up some walnuts, little fine. As you can see, we're cutting it. Okay, let's get into this video. As you could see, I chopped up my almonds and also I chopped up the walnuts very fine. Okay, not too fine, but just right. Okay. So we're going to be adding our almonds into the bowl, and then after we're going to be adding in our walnuts also into the bowl. Okay. So we are going to add some raisins right now. Also guys, you could add any raisins, any nuts or anything that you want into it to just your flavor. Okay. Okay, so we are going to add some oats. Okay, so right now we're going to add 2 spoons of honey, and you could add as much as you want to thicken it. Okay, and also we are supposed to use cornstarch syrup, but I didn't have any, so I'm just using what I have at the moment. Okay. Okay, so I'm adding in 2 spoons of milk. You can put any amount that you want. because throughout the video I added more, but I didn't really record it that. Okay, and then we're going to mix up everything together. All right. And also you could use any kind of milk, any kind of powdered milk. Okay. Okay, so we're going to add 2 spoons of peanut butter, although I added one, but I didn't record it that also. And as I said, you could literally add more of the stuff while you go along to either thicken it. Okay, and you could use any kind of peanut butter, any kind of peanut butter. Also, I'm adding in some chocolate syrup. Okay, you could add in any kind of syrup to your flavor also. Okay, all right. Yes, people, so we're all done. As you can see, I spread it out on a sheet. So after that, we're gonna put it in the freezer to freeze for like about an hour and like 10 minutes or 12, depending on how long you want to leave it, also to how thick you want it. And as you can see, I just had that chocolate syrup on top of it. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and we're done. Okay.